Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I thought I would talk about my September dividend payments. As you guys know, I like to put out at least one of these videos per month focusing on dividend payments within the portfolio. Been putting together a high dividend yielding portfolio of mainly blue chip companies, dividend yields from 3, 4, 5% or so, with a few higher dividend companies as well from business development companies, closed-end funds, and some real estate investment trusts as well. The goal is to have at least one dividend payment per day for the entire year, so 365 dividends. For the month of September, I met that goal. I have 36 dividend payments coming in, some that are pending and some that have already been paid. What you'll first notice, I'm in the history section of the Robinhood application here, dividend payments. You can see Robinhood slightly changed the way this shows. So before, these pending dividend payments here would actually just show you exactly what dividend payment would be coming in. So for General Electric here, it would be showing $2.40, but now it's simply showing a pending payment. If we scroll down to payments that have already been received, and then it goes ahead and shows you exactly what that dividend payment is. So a slight little change here. Don't know if I necessarily like that change. I can't really see what dividend payments coming in until you click through to the account here to see the number of shares, amount per share, and then the total dividend payment that will be coming in on the scheduled dividend date there. So slight little change there. Not sure I quite like that. But let's kind of go through the September dividend payments here. Again, I have 36 dividend payments for the month of September, so definitely met my goal of averaging at least one dividend payment per day, and hopefully I can continue that for the entire year. So starting on the bottom there, September 1st, I had quite a few dividend payments coming in, and one caveat behind this is that there won't be a dividend payment every day, but averaged out over the entire year, averaged out over the month, there will be at least one dividend payment per day. So September, 36 dividend payments, 30 days, so definitely met that goal. So on the first here, you can see quite a few dividend payments coming in here. And the other thing, too, is a lot of these dividend payments that come in quarterly will come in on the same day. So you can see Intel, BA Boeing, Wells Fargo, WFC, Ford, and then a few closed-end funds as well, PTY, PCM, one biotech, pharmaceutical company, PFE, all paid out on the same day there. Notably Ford, the largest dividend payment in the portfolio currently, $464.40. And then Pfizer, probably the second or third largest dividend payment in the portfolio, $38.40. So September was a very, very good month for dividend income. And then as we scroll up, we can see Southern Esso on the 6th of September, ADM, Archer Daniels Midland, CNP, CenterPoint Energy, LLY, Eli Lilly and Company, IBM, Target, XOM, ExxonMobil. Another nice dividend payment from Johnson & Johnson, $5.04. 3M, MMM, $2.35. Microsoft, 39 cents. Consolidated Edison, $3.45. HSY, company I'm thinking about maybe getting out of. I've held this stock for over a year now. You can see here $1.31 for the dividend payment. I think I might try to trim down the portfolio a bit, but a nice stock nevertheless. A couple real estate investment trusts here. STAG, 12 cents. Only have a couple shares of STAG. ORI, definitely put in a little bit more money, more capital into Old Republic International. You can see a nice dividend payment here, $4.18. KHC, $3.75. O, $2.54. International Paper IP, 93 cents. McDonald's MCD, 94 cents. One of my better dividend payments for real estate investment trusts here, Apple Hospitality, $14 paid out monthly, so very, very good dividend payment on that. And that equates to about a 6% APR, rate of return on investment, with APLE for dividend payment. Again, paid out monthly. VFC, VF Corp, very, very good dividend payment. Then again, like I said, these next dividend payments here have already been accredited to the brokerage account, but they have not yet been paid to my account. You can see PSEC down here. Put a little bit more capital into PSEC as well. You can see that nice dividend payment, $13. That's also a monthly payment as well. LMT, Lockheed Martin here, very strong performance, great dividend yield as well, 1.82 for the payment. SCHD, GM, SDY, BHK, SPHD, one of my favorite dividend ETFs, S&P 500 high dividend, low volatility ETF. Great ETF for new investors. It's only $40 or so to jump in. It's got a monthly dividend payment, and the dividend is quite nice, around 4 to 4.2% usually per month. And you can see that nice dividend payment on the bottom there, $2.61. UNP, GOF, PEP, Pepsi round out the dividend payments. So kind of going through that again, there are 36 dividend payments for the month of September. Again, a lot of these are from larger blue chip corporations that pay out on a quarterly basis, but I also have some nice real estate investment trusts that are paying out on the monthly basis, as well as some closed-end funds. PSEC, I highlighted there, pays out monthly as well. So that's what's been happening with the portfolio. This gives you guys a good idea of what kind of dividend payments you can get from a $100,000 plus portfolio. Again, these are dividend yields of 10 to 15% on average. It's more on the lines of around 4 to 6% average across all of these stocks. Very safe dividend payments. These dividend payments can be maintained over the longer term. I have a few quarterly dividends from great long-term blue chip companies I'm holding in the portfolio, as well as some higher risk but higher dividend yielding real estate investment trusts, as well as closed-end funds, business development companies. They pay out a little bit higher rate of return, but they are definitely more risky over the longer term. So that's a portfolio here. Again, I like to put out at least one of these videos per month to give you guys a great idea of what kind of dividend income you can make from a portfolio of fairly safe, high dividend yielding blue chip stocks that yield around 4 to 6% with a number of higher dividend yielding securities, high risk thrown in there to round out the portfolio. So that's what's happening with the portfolio. Please let me know what you guys think of the portfolio. Any additions I should be making. A lot of you guys have commented on AMD. It looks like it's been doing very nicely since it announced some partnership with Tesla, as well as you guys mentioning Tesla. Should I sell off some of my Ford and get into Tesla? I know that was a theme about 6 months ago or so. Definitely looks like I kind of lost out on a little bit of that. But again, Ford I think is a great longer-term play, and I really enjoy doing day and swing trading with Ford. That's why I have so much Ford in the portfolio. It's got a great dividend yield as well right now, over 5%. So that's a portfolio. Please let me know what you guys are doing with your portfolios. Any good video ideas, questions on this video, other videos, please let me know down in the comment threads below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all the support, appreciate all the ideas you've been giving me. Definitely got a backload of videos I'm getting out here. But again, if you guys have any questions, anything that you would do differently in the portfolio, or what you guys are doing with your portfolios, please let me know. Always interested to hear what you